This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janine DeMello. This spacious home has been updated, and is fresh as a daisy. A traditional floor plan with all the fixings. Formal dining in addition to a formal family room. Move-in ready. All new LVP and carpet throughout, updated paint, floor to ceiling, upgraded appliance package, new granite counters, new white vanities/fixtures. Gorgeous neutral palette. Only minutes to Norfolk Naval, Portsmouth Coast Guard, Harbour View, and Downtown Norfolk. Spacious 0.67-acre lot in a fantastic community. Fourth bedroom is large frog. Huge walk-in kitchen pantry. Spacious owners ensuite with dual vanity. For more information, review the details below.